Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Well, today I'll be comparing two different products. Something I just found out about. Evidently it's been on the market for a couple years. This is the 3-second eyebrow stamp. So I saw it in the store and I had to get it. And this is what I've been using all the time. Brow stencils by iLure. I also have a set by e.l.f. These are sturdier. Where's that stencil? Okay, and that's what this looks like. I always use the high arch. And how many come in the pack? A bunch of them come in the pack. A bunch of sizes. And they're stamped like high arch, slim arch. Those are out the package. Oh, it's 4 stamps. 4 arch sizes and styles in here. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, stay tuned. Let me get this stuff together. Okay, I'm going to start with the brow stencil. I think everybody knows about brow stencils. So I'm going to do what I always do. I use a little brush. What kind of brush is this? Angle tip shadow brush. Okay. And I don't know where I got it. And I'll be doing my, what eye is this? My left eye. And I'll be using the high arch stencil. So, first I'm going to load. This is what I'm using to put this on. The Color Mates, I got this from Dollar Tree. Color Mates brow powder. It comes in the dark shade and the lighter brown. So I'm going to put a little of both on this brush. Tap off the excess. And put this stencil up on here. I'm doing my left eye first. Oh, I need my mirror. I can't see the tail of my eyebrow. Where is it? I hope I don't have it up too high. But this is what I usually do. I don't start right at the front end, because I don't want it too dark. Okay. I need my mirror. Okay, looks good. Pretty good, huh? Okay. That was with the stencil, and to do it for the other eye, you just flip the stencil over so it'll fit for the right eye. So now I'm going to use the 3-second eyebrow stamp. It comes in a box like this. I got this from Walmart. It was like $14.88, something like that. It's much cheaper on Amazon, and I'll leave a link. It came with instructions. Comes with 2 different sizes of eyebrow stamps. It has you can't see this paper. Well, I'll just have to show you the stamp itself. It's so bright in here. No, y'all can't see it. Sorry. Anyway, it comes with, what you call this size? Soft arch. It's called soft arch. It's this kind. It's rounded. And then it comes with the structured arch. That's what I use. And this is how it comes in the package. Packaged up very nicely. The stamps that I use are in here. You open it up. Got a cute little bow. Twist and you open it up. It comes with a sponge over the brow powder. And this brow powder is supposed to be good for a lot of people, no matter what color you are, what color skin you got, what color hair you have. So we're gonna see. And I've been wearing that. I wore this yesterday and the day before. So we're gonna see. So I'm gonna take these stencils out. And this is what they look like. See that? It's a right and a left stencil, and it's marked R and L. So you don't mix it up. I'm taking both out now. And if you need to wash these sponges, this is a high density sponge. If you need to wash it, these do come out. And if you don't want to wash it right away, just flip it to the other side and use the clean side. Or if one side gets damaged or holes in it or something, because it is sponge, just flip it. Okay, so I'm gonna do my right eye. Is this the right stencil? Yes. So I'm gonna put this in here and kind of make sure I get good coverage on the sponge. Okay. So we're gonna see. Okay, I start at the end of my eyebrow and just work it. I can't see what I'm doing. I need my big bathroom mirror. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, I can look in this mirror and y'all can see it too. It wouldn't take this long if I was in the other mirror, so it's already taking longer than 3 seconds. Okay, I start at the, and the harder you press it, the darker it'll be. So I got it on here. I'm pressing, leave it on for 3 seconds. That looks good, y'all. Okay, this one is a little darker, but I used 2 different brow powders. But this looks good, okay? I'm gonna clean them both up. This is how I'm gonna do. I got some concealer. I got black opal. I have a light concealer and a dark concealer. That's the dark. And this, oops, this is the light. They all ate up, but they still work. Oh, I didn't mention that this stamper set comes with a little bitty spoolie, the smallest spoolie I've ever seen. And it has a brush on the other end. See that? So I'm gonna use my regular Old Faithful spoolie with the brush on the end. You can tell it's well used. So I'm starting with my light concealer first to go up under the brow, right on the brow bone. Okay. The other eye. You'll see. I'm looking in my mirror, but y'all can still see me doing what I'm doing. Usually when people are putting on eye products, they got their mouth open. I'm determined I'm not going to do that. Like, I ain't doing that. Everybody does it, but I make a conscious effort not to. That's the only reason I'm not doing it. Okay. Now I'm going to use my dark concealer on top. And I use 2 different colors because I don't have to worry about blending in the darker colors. The same color as my skin, so it matches. Do the other one. This one is lighter and thinner. I'm trying to let y'all see what I'm doing instead of having this big old mirror in the way. Okay, I went kind of heavy on this concealer, but y'all get the idea. This is the stamped brow, this is the stenciled brow. So, I like both of them. Okay, which one do you like, or do you like either? Neither. Okay, so I'm going to perfect using the, what did I use on this brow? I don't know. I forget which was which now. But anyway, I like both of them. I think I used the stencil on this and the stamp on this. Let me see if I can make this stamp darker. Without putting any more product on here. This is kind of light. I'm going to smush it a little. Okay, it did darken it up. See that? Okay. I like them both. Okay? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments section below, and I will leave a link for both of them. And like I said, this was just under $15 at Walmart, but it's cheaper on Amazon. It's like $9 something on Amazon. And they have other brands. They have the Kiss brand. It actually has the color brow powder that you can choose from. They have medium brown, dark brown, charcoal. Well, so, which is the stamped brow? This one. Well, this works for me. And it fits right back into a nice little compact. So you can keep up with everything. How it looks. Comes with the sponge cover to go over the... I don't even know what color powder this is. Let me see, does it say? I don't think it says. I think it's only one color. If it says it, I don't see it. Okay. So like I said, there are 2 sets of brow stamps in this package. I don't think I'll be using the rounded arch. I like more of an arch. A high arch. So if you like this review, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Too much concealer. That's better. Okay. Be blessed. Bye. Y'all should have known I was coming back. Okay, these are both the products. Bye for real now.